Hey, my friends. So we are here in Sparks, Nevada, literally just a stone's throw away from the Tesla Gigafactory. Nothing to do with that, though. We are here on our way to Denver. We stopped off at the Recharge Bar and Cafe. And why? Because there are Tesla destination chargers here. Destination chargers are not like the normal superchargers. They are essentially owned by the vendor, whoever it is who owns that property, and they're put in there essentially to provide free electricity to draw people in. It drew us in. You can find them UnPlugged, share and stuff, but Tesla's destination chargers, how do you use them? They have a different plug. Well, you get one of these. So this has a Tesla plug on one side, and of course, standard plug on the other side. And yeah, it worked fantastic. We had lunch. We got about half a battery recharged while we were having lunch, and now we're going to continue on our way. For what it's worth, this adapter does cost, I think it's $240, tax and shipping and stuff. It was almost $300 delivered to my door. That's a lot of clams, actually, in all honesty. I mean, if you actually kind of calculate that in cost per kilowatt that you're going to collect by using this thing, it's going to take you hundreds of uses to pay this back. If you think of it from the standpoint of the amount of gasoline you're offsetting, and gasoline, of course, is much more expensive. Maybe I need to use this like 100, probably 100-ish times, maybe 200-ish times, somewhere in there to actually pay stuff back. So it's not really a money-saving thing, but it definitely feels nice. We're on this big road trip. We pull off to have lunch. Instead of just sitting there wasting time, we're actually recharging the car. So kind of cool. Hey, my friends. So one more time here. We just had lunch. We've been charging with our JDapter here in Rock Springs, Wyoming, kind of the middle of nowhere. But this is it again, and it's actually very high speed. If you look at the numbers on the side, it actually says 40 amps on the side, and sure enough, it'll charge the battery in like 2 hours flat. So we got about half a battery of charge while having lunch, and I'm gonna disconnect this here. They actually do have signs on here that says Tesla vehicle charging only. Ignore that, and we even talked to the folks inside as we're plugging in. They said no problem. They're happy to get our business, right? Of course. And there we go. Simple as that. JDapter. Let's go.